Powerwall storage systems help customers experience the best of both worlds, aesthetic appeal and high performance. And more people are using them in combination with a photovoltaic system to meet their power requirements. The lithium iron phosphate Powerwall battery, manufactured by UFO Power, is a smart, efficient and reliable storage device that can store energy from both the photovoltaic system and the electrical grid, which can be used later to power your home during power outages. It is available in 4 variants, with power storage capacities of 2.4, 4.8, 7.2 and 9.8 kWh per battery unit, and a flexible design allows to add up to 15 units that can store power of up to 144 kWh, making it well suited for use in large capacity power stations. The device uses the safe and lead-free advanced lithium phosphate technology, facilitating its easy maintenance and operation. A higher energy density and longer life of 6,000 cycles with 80% depth of discharge compared to the conventional batteries ensures reduced cost of replacing these batteries and an increased performance. A compact and lightweight design ensure that it occupies less space during transport and installation, helping to further reduce costs. The smart battery management system, with multiple built-in safety features, protects against overcharging, over-discharging, short circuit, high temperature, overcurrent, cell balancing and so on, further guaranteeing our product safety and reliability. Also, the Bluetooth function with LCD touchscreen display with its sleek design allows for easy monitoring and control of the system parameters. The device is compatible with the majority of inverter models on the market, including SMA, Solis, 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐬𝐬, GrowWatt, Victron Energy, SoFar Solar and others. Also, multiple international certifications such as the CE, UL, UN 38.3, IEC 62619 and ROHS serve as further proof of the product's reliability. Established in 2010, UFO Power has been a prominent manufacturer and supplier of lithium-ion storage products for residential, electric vehicles, industrial, medical and military applications. We employ a highly talented workforce, automated production lines, stringent quality control processes and advanced research and development methods to ensure high-quality products reach our customers.